In this video, I will show you where you can find all the resources or reach us out when you will need any help with Flowlance. I already mentioned it in the first walkthrough video, but I want to make like separate video about this. So first of all, if you would need any help about the features of Flowlance, how you can use something, you can just click here and you will see this. You can visit the help center, register to live training, Cyber Tuesday, or view our latest feature updates and other stuff. So first of all, Flowlance Help Center. It's a set of articles that you can search in it or browse in it, and you will find there everything about the Flowlance features. So if you want, for example, know more about the courses, you can go here, and there is a step-by-step guide. And there are the articles about coaching calls, landing pages, direct sales and invoicing, communities, everything you will need. Then, as I mentioned, you can register to live training call with my co-founder Steven right here. And this is for you when you want hands-on help, or you want to ask something, or you want to help with something really specific. So register in the live training and get to know Steven and his advices how to set up Flowlance and monetize your digital product or online services. And in the third link, you can visit our latest feature updates right here. And there is the changelog of the updates, the feedback where you can suggest new features or vote for them. And there is the roadmap so you can see what we are planning right now. Okay, and then if you don't find answer here, you can simply go here to start conversation and write us a message. We have a AI assistant Flowy, but when it's something specific or it's not able to help you, we are always here. We are in the chat, and you can reach directly to us by starting the conversation right here. Okay, and if you would like feedback on your storefront or something specific about digital products and how to sell them, you can always visit our community in the left sidebar and write anything you want right here in the general category, or ask questions, give us feedback, or you can write your wins and shoutouts right here in the community. There are also a couple useful links. And in the community, we have a ton of resources about how to sell digital products, how to start with the digital products. And also we have access to 1,000 plus already make digital products ready to resell with a 20% discount with our partner Enterpedia. So you can visit it all here. Okay, this is it, and see you in the next video.